County in central Illinois, Logan County in central Illinois, eastern Woodford County in central Illinois, Doggett County in central Illinois, eastern Tazewell County in central Illinois, McLean County in central Illinois, southeastern Mason County in central Illinois, until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Center to near Hartford to near Middleton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lincoln, El Paso, Atlanta, Danvers.
Oh wow, it's a big one.
Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Towanda, Waynesville, Lexington, Genoa, Downs, and Tyler. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile marker 0 and 28, Interstate 39 between mile marker 0 and 23, Interstate 55 between mile markers 114 and 186, Interstate 74 between mile markers 103 and 151. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Okay, so the 993's first activation, all three of these activate. I did not expect that, but
You're in the listening area.
there we go, WXK24 SVR. Come here, Sigmas. Oh, shit.
Chicago has issued a thunderstorm warning for Northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 5:15 p.m.
I guess.
At 4:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Whiting to Lansing, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Impact, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Right there, yep. WNG.
Locations impacted include
let me put you
Hammond,
on.
Gary, Portage,
Put you on too,
Merrillville,
buddy.
East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, Lake Station, Linwood, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Whiting, Winfield, and New Chicago.
All right.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Halftime. What? Another? Oh, marine warning, of course. I guess, bro. I need to turn you on voice.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to
You need
Calumet
a
Harbor,
antenna.
nearshore waters from
Come on.
Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor
So
to
you
Michigan
stop
City out to
yelling at
Lake
me.
until 5:30 p.m.
That's great.
At 4:25 p.m., a strong
Holy lot
thunderstorm
spam, bro. We are so bad.
moving north east knots.
Dude, this is strengthening too. That means we're gonna get. Oh my, yay!
Radar.
I'm so excited.
Impact.
Okay, I need to
Small
stop.
craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Indiana Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores Epping Harbor, and Hammond Marina. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
The crappy HH went off. Let's go.
The National Weather Service in Chicago. At 5:39 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles northeast of Indiana Harbor to near Burns Harbor to Gary, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar.
Bro, Dom, I'm trying to get SMW.
Small
Please stop
craft
crashing
could
out,
be
gang.
damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo and Michigan City. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now here is the
Porter SVR, if my
4 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were low. The line extending from near Ogden Dunes to Hobart to Crown Point, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
So we can
Hazard, 60 miles per
EAS
hour
also.
wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Portage, Valparaiso, Chesterton, Lakes of the Four Seasons,
Shit,
South
dude.
Haven, Porter, Burns Harbor, Ogden Dunes, Town of Pines, Beverly Shores. Seasons.
There's the Allegan. All right, cool.
A marine weather statement. Harbor immediately as gusty winds.
Damn, watch. Are you fucking serious? Damn, watch. Fuck you.
Eastern Standard Time.
Oh, what?
This watch includes the
What
following
counties?
counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lockport, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and the following: Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana. Gary to
Why did you go
Indiana,
off?
and Burns Harbor, and the following counties in Illinois:
Oh, Illinois.
Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kankakee, Livingston, and Will. Remember,
Okay.
a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging
Ooh.
winds in close to the watch area.
Okay.
While severe weather may not be imminent,
I forgot to
persons
switch to your
should
channel,
remain
isn't it?
alert for
No,
rapidly
that's
changing
correct.
weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Wow.
The following is a special marine.
Cass.
In northern
Okay.
Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Cass County in southwestern Michigan, Berrien County in southwestern Michigan until 7 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Berrien Springs, or 7 miles north of Buchanan, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Niles, Benton Harbor, St. Joseph, Dowagiac, Buchanan, Fair Plain, Benton Heights, Bridgman, Berrien Springs, Cassopolis, Waterloo, Three Oaks, Coloma, Stevensville, Shorewood Tower Hill, Paw Paw Lake, Shorewood Tower Hills Harbor, Lake Michigan Beach, Berkshire, and Pokagon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 196 between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 8 and 42. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in northern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Berrien and Cass. A severe
Okay.
thunderstorm warning remains. Sunday. Flood warning for southeastern Cook County. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, central Will County in northeastern Illinois, northern Lake, Indiana County in northwestern Indiana until 8:45 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain
Wow.
across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is up to 1 inch per hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding.
I
Source,
think Caleb
radar.
would do that.
Impact, rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Salmon, Gary,
45 p.m.
Calumet City,
At
Portage,
5:46 p.m.,
Maryville,
Doppler
Chicago
radar
Heights,
indicated
East
thunderstorms
Chicago,
producing heavy
Louisville,
rain across the warned
Lansing,
area.
Oak Forest, Harvey,
The following is a flash
Munster,
flood from the
Dothan,
National
Park
Weather
Forest,
Service.
Homewood, Madison, and Waukegan. Flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be
Streets,
occurring.
underpasses,
Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways
Source,
should take immediate
radar.
precautions to protect life and property. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The Lake Michigan forecast.
Chicago Heights, East Chicago, Cherville, Hobart, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Highland, Munster, Dothan, Park Forest, Homewood, Madison, and Waukegan. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Madison and Waukegan. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Would be nice if I could. Wow.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cass County and southwestern
There it goes.
northwestern St. Joseph County.
I'm just trying to like create an antenna here. I got like all this shit on my desk, but we're gonna make KJ more reliable.
Along a line
Trust.
extending from near Decatur to near Edwardsburg, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs,
You can
siding,
go-
and trees. These storms may significantly impact recovery efforts from earlier storms. Locations impacted
Oh,
include
shit.
Niles, Three
Yeah,
Rivers,
these
Delagic,
storms may-
Constantine, Cassopolis,
may,
Edwardsburg, Marcellus,
impact the
Waukegan,
recovery
Penn,
efforts from the
Flower
tornado.
Hill, Van
Oh, that's
Vandia,
really
Magician
creepy.
Lake, Dewey Lake,
Wow.
Lagrange, Juneau Lake, Donda Lake, Indian Lake, Fisher's Lake, Jones, and Diamond Lake. This replaces the severe thunderstorm warning which was previously in effect for the warned area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Cass, and St. Joseph. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. At 9:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Owens near Jessup to near Brandon, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Independence, Jessup, Fairbank, Winthrop, Hazleton, Quasqueton, Vermont, Brandon, Rowley, Aurora, Mount Auburn, Stanley,
Guess it's actually starting to cook.
This includes close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. for northeastern and east central Iowa.